blunts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's lime. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checker line. Better watch your step or you gon' meet the other side. Heard that boy, he was a rat, the hood where he reside. I'ma keep my distance, can't get caught up with the lies. If you with the gang, I'ma split it like a pie.
But yeah, man, so we finna go ahead and take this out. We finna take it out and replace it. Real simple stuff. Same thing as before. I just have to make sure my damn tuner ain't text me back. But same thing as before. First time doing it. First time doing it for me too. So pop this out right here. They say use pliers. Oh yeah, I got a mark. I'm finna mark where I put that damn, that notch is at. I don't have a marker, but I do got one of these. So I am finna try to mark it, follow it. Right there, so it should be, it should line up right there where that tip at. That's where it should be lining up at when I replace it. So, take these pliers, just give her a little wiggle. Knock this out the way. See if we can just pop her out. Small wiggle. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. It's running. It's a lot running out. Ooh. See if I can. Oh. Hurry up and punch this back in. I done let a lot of fluid run out, y'all, but it's not too bad. Got that lined up in the spot where I needed it. Damn, y'all. Low key. I mean, I low key needed to waste a little bit because I overfilled my I overfilled anyway. But next time, if okay, let's say you're in your garage. Next time you want to do it way faster than that, right? So if you're in your garage, make sure you're doing it way faster than that. Now, I hope that's pushed in all the way. Like, I don't think that could pop right back out. God damn it. Hold up. Hold on. This shit fucking me up right now. Jeez. Pop that sucker. Damn, the seal on. Damn, y'all. I done popped the seal. So listen. Next time you want to be way smoother than me, right? Because that was a no-no. I done popped the seal. So damn, y'all, now we need fluid. Yeah, y'all. Damn, I just wasted a lot of fluid, bro. That shit got me pissed. Y'all seen all that fluid come out? Oh, yeah. I thought it was in there secured. Sheesh. Now I gotta go buy more fluid. I'm not gonna wiggle it around so much. Honestly, I really don't like working with gloves. I just be trying to keep my hands clean, but gloves really slow you down, bro. In certain situations. This one you need one of them little small, powerful little drills. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm gonna definitely wasted a lot of fucking fluid. That shit had me upset. Do y'all see how long it's taking me? Tighten it back up. These bolts were in there, man. Finally got tight right there. This shit ridiculous. Hello? Just the O-ring, y'all. So I'm about to put this back in the case. Alright, y'all, so that's it. That's how you do the install. It's very simple. I kind of made it a little complicated because I spilled shit everywhere and I didn't put it in fast enough. But basically, you want to do it quick. I did it too slow. So now I got to buy more fluid. So that's on my part. But, so that's it. What you're going to need is, 12, what is that? 13 millimeter, ratchet, piece, whatever. I draw a blank. Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. 13 millimeter, and then some pliers, maybe one of these, and then extension, and then that's it. So make sure everybody, all y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna be dropping more how-to videos as I learn stuff for myself as well. So make sure y'all check out everything else on the channel, man. Let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
When donuts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's lime. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checker line. Better watch your step or you gon' meet the other side. Heard that boy, he was a rat, the hood where he reside. I'ma keep my distance, can't get caught up